Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button, and in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps with the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon. I've included a link in the description that'll take you directly to the product page. You can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is absolutely perfect if you like to have a lot of cocktails or you like to have a large, cool looking ice. And that is because it is a spherical ice maker. This is really, really cool. So this was sent over by a company called Silonn. As you can see, it's here, right here next to me. And this thing is absolutely great for parties. You're naturally going to get a user manual that tells you about it. We're covering all the features here in the video. Now, this does allow you to hook this up directly to a water line and a separate drain line. So if you're utilizing this in your personal home, maybe in a bar setup, or you're utilizing it at the office, this is gonna let you have a direct water feed, which is really cool. I do recommend that because it's gonna produce more ice and hold more ice together. And then also it's gonna keep it from holding a lot of water in there and basically makes the maintenance a lot less if you want to do that. So it is going to include a white long cable here. This little tube is your water in line, and then you're gonna have this clear one. This is your water outline. All the nozzle hookups are on the back, and then it's gonna include a little bag of adapter pieces and some extra connection pieces, so that way you can get it fully connected to your system. However, if you do not wanna hook it up to an auto drain line or an auto water line, and you just wanna have it manually filled up, you can do that as well. There's a nice little reservoir down there, and it's gonna produce quite a bit of ice, basically spheres, without having that connection. You just get more if you do have it, that connection. But as you can see, here it is. It is a nice size ice maker. To give you an idea of the overall size, it's about 12.5 inches wide. It is about 17.5 inches in height and about 18 inches in depth. Now, the whole front here is a nice, just big screen. You're gonna notice that it's got a big on button and a big off button, very easy to utilize. Right now, it has a little drainage button here. That's because the water level in the reservoir is below, and it's saying, hey, fill me up. So that will be off if you have plenty of water or if you have it direct fed as well. And then you're gonna notice the little kind of balls here in the middle. That's gonna rotate as it is producing ice. But these produce about 2.5 inch ice cubes. So you just simply open up the door here, which is clear, so you can see in there, which is really nice. As soon as you open up, there is gonna be an LED light that turns on, and then it does have this nice pull-out basket. And then as you can see, you're gonna get the nice spherical sizes. Very clear ice. Obviously, the more pure your water is, the clearer it's going to be, but they fit perfectly. So once again, they're great for if you like to drink, like I said, cocktails. If you like to drink whiskey neat or rum neat or something like that, you can utilize that. Or if you just like to have large ice in your water, they work very, very well. Now, this is not a refrigerated unit. So as the ice is produced, it's gonna make 3 of them at a time, and then they're gonna fall into the basket. As over time, the ice starts to melt, it falls into that reservoir down below. If that is hooked up to the drainage, it's gonna drain out that water, so you always have nice fresh water, or it's going to recycle it back up and reproduce those ice cubes, so you're always good to go. But it's not keeping this cold. There's not a refrigerated unit in here per se. It's just staying cold with the ice, but it takes a long time for it to melt because of their size. Now, in addition to this, you're also gonna get a nice little ice grabber here. I just grabbed it with my hands, but you can obviously grab this and put it in the glass as you wish and keep it stored in. Now, another thing you're gonna notice, there's gonna be a little silicone mat. That's gonna go into the bottom of your ice bucket. All that is doing is as these large pieces of ice are falling, it's helping dampen the sound so you don't hear this big ka-glunk. It's a lot more quieter with those as it's falling. Now, as far as time it takes to produce ice, it's gonna, like I said, do 3 at a time, and those take approximately about 40 minutes to produce one run. But its basket can hold up to 45 balls of ice. So, like I said, if you're holding a party, it's great because you can get plenty of ice, and it lasts a long time due to the size. They don't melt nearly as fast. Now, if you are not doing the direct water line feed, the bucket at the very bottom can hold about 1.7 liters of water, and that's what it's going to utilize. And as I said, once you've kind of got your first round, you can go ahead and fill it up again. So that way you always have a nice cycling of basically ice cubes going. Now, this does have a auto clean function. So if you do, like you haven't used it a long time and you're sitting here and you're wanting to go ahead and clean this, go ahead and hold down the power button for about 3 seconds, and that's gonna turn on the clean mode. And essentially what that's doing is it's gonna flush out the system with the water. It's gonna clean all the pipes and all that kind of stuff. So you can go ahead and descale it and all that kind of fun stuff and get it all nice and clean. But overall, I really love the size of the ice. It makes it very quickly. I love the fact that it has a direct water line. The screen's very easy to see, and it's really, fits really perfect for making cocktails. It even has a little drip tray here at the bottom, so that way if any water does fall between the crack, it'll fall onto that instead of your countertop. So overall, if you're looking for a really cool ice maker, this one is totally worth checking out. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.